You've been probably hearing more about NIPAH virus lately, a virus with no cure, no vaccine, and a fatality rate of up to 75% with some outbreaks. Today, let's talk about what NIPAH really is. NIPAH virus is a zoonotic RNA virus, meaning it normally circulates in animals but can spill over into humans and cause severe diseases. NIPAH was first identified in Malaysia in 1998 during an outbreak among pig farmers. In this case, the virus moved along a clear pathway, vets to pig and then pigs to human. Since then, outbreaks have occurred repeatedly in South Asia, especially in Bangladesh and India, with smaller outbreaks linked to Singapore in 1999 and the Philippines in 2014. These recurring patterns, combined with its very high fatality rate, is why NIPAH is being discussed more and more in global health today. So, where does NIPAH actually come from and how does it spread? The natural reservoir of NIPAH virus is fruit bats. These bats can carry and shed the virus without getting sick, making them a silent source of infection. NIPAH spreads in three main ways. First, animal to human. People can get infected through contact with infected bats or livestock, especially pigs. Second, contaminated food. In Bangladesh, many outbreaks have been linked to raw date palm sap. Bats drink from open collection pots at night and can contaminate the sap with saliva or urine, which people then consume the next morning. Third, human to human. Unlike many animal-borne viruses, NIPAH can spread between humans, especially through close contact with bodily fluids. This is why caregivers and healthcare workers are at high risk during outbreaks. Once NIPAH gets into the body, symptoms usually begin like the flu: fever, headache, and muscle pain. But in severe cases, the virus can invade the brain, causing encephalitis, inflammation of the brain, which can lead to confusion, seizure, coma, and even death. Some patients also develop serious respiratory problems, which makes the disease especially dangerous. Because NIPAH looks like many other infections, it can only be confirmed with laboratory testings, mainly RT-PCR on respiratory samples, blood, or cerebrospinal fluids, and sometimes antibody testing by ELISA, which must be done in highly secure labs by trained personnel. And that brings us to the biggest problem. Currently, we have no licensed vaccine and no specific antiviral treatments for NIPAH virus. Doctors can only provide supportive cares such as oxygen, fluid, and treatment of complications. However, researchers are actively testing promising options like monoclonal antibodies and experimental vaccines in clinical trials and animal models. So, why do people worry about NIPAH, and what can we actually do about it? Because NIPAH's fatality rate is so high, it is less likely to spread as widely as COVID-19 did. But that doesn't mean that we can ignore it. NIPAH is already capable of limited human-to-human transmission, what scientists call stuttering chain of spread. And because it is an RNA virus, it has the potential to evolve over time. Researchers are actively studying what changes would be needed for it to spread more efficiently between people, which is why it is closely monitored. To reduce risk, cover date palm sap collection pots, boil sap before drinking, wash and peel fruit properly, avoid contact with sick animals, and use strong infection controls in hospitals. These practical steps are some of the most effective ways we currently have to prevent NIPAH outbreaks. Stay informed, stay safe.